Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to London Heathrow Terminal 3. The local time here is 5:15 in the afternoon. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. You may now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. When it is safe to leave your seats, take care when opening overhead lockers as items may be moved and could fall out and cause injury. Before leaving the aircraft, please make sure you have all your personal belongings with you and remember that smoking is not allowed until you have reached the designated area. If your journey ends here at Heathrow on leaving the aircraft, please follow the yellow signs for arrival. If you are connecting onto another flight from Heathrow today, please follow the purple signs for flight connection, where our ground colleagues will be ready to assist you. As part of British Airways' ongoing commitment to the environment, we invite you to leave your used newspapers on the front seats of the aircraft so they may be recycled. Thank you. All of us at British Airways and the One World Alliance would like to welcome all our customers who live here in London and wish those of you visiting an enjoyable stay. If you're travelling on further, we wish you a safe onward journey. It has been our pleasure to serve you and we look forward to welcoming you back again very soon.
Meine Damen und Herren, bitte bleiben Sie so lange angeschnallt in Ihrem Sitz, bis unser Flugzeug die endgültige Parkposition erreicht hat und sowohl die Maschinen als auch das Sicherheitsgurt-Leuchtzeichen abgeschaltet sind. In der Gepäckfächer, um das Herausfallen von Gegenständen zu vermeiden. Wenn Sie hier auf einen Weiterflug umsteigen, bitten wir Sie mindestens 30 Minuten vor Abflug Ihres nächsten Fluges am Abflugschalter zu sein. Wir wünschen Ihnen eine gute Weiterreise und danken Ihnen, dass Sie mit uns geflogen sind. Wir hoffen, Sie bald wieder an Bord begrüßen zu dürfen.